Welcome back to my channel. Be optimistic. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with another video and I'll speaking. In this video I'll not only provide you a sample answer for latest cue card, but also try to assist you guys that how you can prepare any cue card. And in my previous video I've given the sample answer for speaking part 1, latest topics, baking and challenges. If you haven't watched that video, then you can get the link in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends as well. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. So guys, firstly we will discuss about how to prepare a cue card. So first of all, read the statement of your cue card properly, because it is really essential to understand the demand of your statement, right? At least read the statement of your cue card twice so that you can clearly comprehend it. And secondly, identify the tense, because it is also essential to use accurate tense. As you all know that most of the time we get the cue cards in past tense, but there is also chances of the present as well as future tense based cue cards. For example, you can get the cue card, talk about an activity that you usually do with your family. It means it is a present tense, usually do. And sometimes you get that, talk about the activity that you did when you were a child. Did, it means the second form is used, then we have to use past tense. And sometimes you get, talk about a leisure activity that you would like to do. It means you have to use a future tense. So always clear this in your mind and write down the tense that you are going to use, so that you cannot forget while speaking. Try to write down the tense on the paper that you receive from your examiner, right? Nextly, always try to think about an effective journal line. Don't try to be part of the crowd. Try to be unique from others if you want to get higher scores in your IELTS speaking, right? For example, suppose you get a cue card, talk about your childhood twice. Most of the students, I think 90% of the students will try to use these kind of lines. I have many twice. I had many twice when I was a child. Or there are many twice, but my favorite twice was this. Try to avoid these kind of lines, because IELTS examiners are the experts. They can easily recognize about the memorized lines. And let's have a look at another effective line, right? Toys are integral part of everyone's childhood. When I was a child, I had abundance of toys. It means कि टॉयज इंटैग्रल पार्ट है, मीनस एक मेन पार्ट है हर एक दे बचपन का। तो जो मैं चाइल्ड सी मेरे को भी बहुत सारे टॉयज से अबंडेंस मीनस प्लेंटीफुल टॉयज से, right? So this is called a unique and effective journal line, guys. Your journal line act as a first impression on your examiner. So try to make your first impression positive, right? And nextly, I would recommend you guys. Nextly, guys, I'll let you know that what you should do in order to cover the 2 minutes, right? Firstly, cover all the bullet points and try and highlight the answers for the bullet point just in 1 or 2 words, right? If you miss any bullet point, then you will be penalized. So try to cover all the bullet points firstly, right? And nextly, include all WHO questions such as when, where, why, how, with whom, right? These kind of things. Try to include these. Then you can easily cover your 2 minutes and make a proper story, right? And if your cue card is based on like a person or any skill, then try to include an experience in order to make your cue card effective and different from others, because experiences are usually differ from person to person. Try to do so, right? And guys, always try to avoid the repetition and write down the word that you are habitual to overuse, such as some students like to use the word and they drag it too much, which shows the Punjabi touch in it. Or some use so. After that, try to and then write down that word and cross that, so that you can't use that word again and again. Try to do so. It will really will be really beneficial for you. So in the 1 minute for the preparation, try to cover all the bullet points and write the highlighting point for WHO questions and write the word that you are going to neglect as well as the tense that is you are going to use. So guys, now I'll let you know about the latest cue card along with its sample answer with the proper use of vocabulary as well as some. So guys, it is our latest cue card that a student received in his exam on 31st May in another country. Talk about a road trip, right? Well, hanging out is my hobby, and being a mediocre, I am used to explore distinct places via road. Hanging out means like traveling, right? कि hanging out means घूमना फिरना मेरा शौक आ। mediocre ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ person ਜਿਹੜਾ middle class family ਨੂੰ belong ਕਰਦਾ कि mediocre ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਨਾਤੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਆਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ distinct means different places ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ road ਦੇ through explore ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ because ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਨਾ affluent ਜਾਂ rich ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ via air ਜਾਊਂਗਾ so ਮੈਂ usually road ਦੇ through ਜਾਣਾ। here I'm going to confabulate about my favorite road trip। confabulate means talk about, right? it is matter of a year ago, एक साल ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ when I visited a renowned tourist place named Dehradun। ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ renowned means famous tourist place named Dehradun ਉੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ visit ਕੀਤਾ which is located in Uttarakhand, India। ਇਹ place से located ਆ। plan to visit this place was made by my cousin। ਇਹ place ਨੂੰ visit ਕਰਨ ਦਾ plan ਮੇਰੇ cousin ਨੇ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਸੀ। he acquainted me about this journey a night before our departure। acquainted means make aware, ਜਾਣੂ ਕਰਵਾਉਣਾ। ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪਲਾਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਡਿਪਾਰਚਰ ਮੀਨਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਾਣ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਰਾਤ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਉਹਨੇ, ਰਾਈਟ। was made by, here I've used the passive tense। I've already made a video on how to make the passive tenses। if you haven't watched that video then you can get the link of this video by clicking on the I button। nextly, at that time I was feeling like a dog with two tails। guys, this is an idiom which means I was happy as well as excited because I hadn't visited any hilly area before that। because ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ hilly area visit ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, right। we initiated our journey in crack of dawn। ਮੀਨਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਰਨੀ ਕ੍ਰੈਕ ਆਫ ਡਾਊਨ ਦਾ ਵੈਰੀ अर्ਲੀ ਮੋਰਨਿੰਗ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਜਲਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ, ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਇਨ ਆਰਡਰ ਟੂ escape from rush hour ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਰਸ਼ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਸਕੀਏ, ਰਾਈਟ। we were 6 travelling companions। ਅਸੀਂ 6 ਜਾਣੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਲੇ। my brother, cousin, his wife and children। I vividly remember it was a calm sunny day। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਲੀਅਰਲੀ ਯਾਦ ਆ, vividly means clearly ਕਿ ਕਾਮ ਸਨੀ ਡੇ ਸੀਗਾ। ਬਟ ਆਫਟਰ 2-3 ਆਵਰਸ, ਪਰ 2-3 ਆਵਰਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਵੈਦਰ ਵਿਕੇਮ ਪਲੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ। ਵੈਦਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਲੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਐਂਡ ਕੂਲ ਬਰੀਜ਼ ਵਾਸ ਸਟਾਰਟਡ ਬਲੋਇੰਗ ਐਂਡ ਕੂਲ ਬਰੀਜ਼ ਚੱਲਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਵੀ ਸਟੇਡ ਨੀਅਰ ਜਮੁਨਾ ਰਿਵਰ ਟੂ ਕੈਪਚਰ ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਵਿਊਜ਼ ਆਫ ਨੇਚਰ। ਅਸੀਂ ਜਮੁਨਾ ਰਿਵਰ ਕੋਲ ਰੁਕੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਨੇਚਰ ਦੇ ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਵਿਊਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਕੈਪਚਰ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਰਾਈਟ। when we use the word preposition to after that always v1 is used, right, to capture। besides this is a connector over here and besides this ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ we collect photographs of one another। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੀਆਂ photographs ਵੀ capture ਕੀਤੀਆਂ, click ਕੀਤੀਆਂ, right। nextly then at nearby 11 AM we all were starving hungry। guys, this is also an idiom। starving hungry means extremely hungry ਕਿ ਨੀਅਰ ਬਾਏ 11 AM ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਭੁੱਖ ਲੱਗੀ ਐਂਡ ਸੋ ਵੀ ਸਟੋਪਡ ਐਟ ਅ ਰੈਸਟੋਰੈਂਟ ਫॉर ਬ੍ਰੰਚ। ਬ੍ਰੰਚ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ? ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਬ੍ਰੇਕਫਾਸਟ ਲੇਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਲੰਚ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ, ਬ੍ਰੇਕਫਾਸਟ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ। ਸੋ ਵੀ ਸਟੋਪਡ ਐਟ restaurant for brunch after having meals and round of drinks। round of drink is a collocation over here। I've also made a video on speaking collocations। you can also get the link of speaking collocations by clicking on I button। ਰਾਊਂਡ ਆਫ ਡਰਿੰਕ ਮੀਨਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਲਡ ਡਰਿੰਕਸ ਪੀਤੇ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਐਂਡ ਵੀ ਰਿਜ਼ਿਊਮਡ ਆਰ ਜਰਨੀ ਐਂਡ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜਰਨੀ ਨੂੰ ਰੀਸਟਾਰਟ ਕੀਤਾ। ਮੀਨਵਾਈਲ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਮੀਨਵਾਈਲ ਦ ਜਰਨੀ ਇਨ ਕਾਰ ਵੀ ਪਲੇਡ ਕਾਰਡਸ ਐਂਡ ਸੈਂਗ ਸੌਂਗਸ। ਅਸੀਂ ਕਾਰਡਸ ਖੇਡੇ ਅਤੇ ਸੈਂਗ ਸੌਂਗਸ, ਕੁਛ ਸੌਂਗ ਵੀ ਗਾਏ। ਮਾਈ ਨੈਫਿਊ ਐਂਡ ਨੀਸ ਮੇਡ ਅਸ ਲਾਫ ਬਾਈ ਕ੍ਰੈਕਿੰਗ ਮੈਨੀ ਜੋਕਸ। ਨੈਫਿਊ ਅਤੇ ਨੀਸ ਨੇ ਲਾਈਕ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹਸਾਇਆ ਕੁਛ ਜੋਕਸ ਸੁਣਾ ਕੇ। ਵੀ ਸੋ ਨਿਊਮਰਸ ਮੈਂਗੋ ਟਰੀਜ਼ ਐਂਡ ਮੰਕੀਜ਼ ਔਨ ਦ ਰੋਡ which were doing hilarious activities। ਅਸੀਂ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਿਊਮਰਸ ਮੀਨਸ ਕਈ ਮੈਂਗੋ ਟਰੀਜ਼ ਦੇਖੇ ਅਤੇ ਮੰਕੀਜ਼ ਦੇਖੇ ਰੋਡਸ 'ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹਿਲੇਰੀਅਸ ਮੀਨਸ ਫਨੀ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ। ਅਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਐਂਡ ਆਈ ਕੈਪਚਰਡ ਦੀਜ਼ ਮੂਮੈਂਟਸ ਇਨ ਮਾਈ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਐਂਡ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਮੂਮੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਪਚਰ ਕੀਤਾ। ਫਾਈਨਲੀ ਐਟ 4 PM ਵੀ ਰੀਸਟਾਰਟ ਐਟ ਆਰ ਡੈਸਟੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ। ਫਾਈਨਲੀ ਅਸੀਂ 4 ਵਜੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਡੈਸਟੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਹਰਾਦੂਨ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਗਏ ਵਿਚ ਇਜ਼ ਫੁੱਲ ਆਫ greenery and tranquility। greenery and tranquility means place full of peace, right। on the next day we explored illustrious means famous places of this region such as Forest Research Institute, Clementine and Buddha Temple, which assisted us to broaden our horizons of knowledge. Assisted means help करना कि जिन्ना ने ਜਿਹੜੇ places ने ਸਾਡੀ knowledge ਵਧਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੀ help ਕੀਤੀ. This road also helped me to refresh my mind. ਇਸ road trip ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ mind ਨੂੰ relax ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰੀ help ਕੀਤੀ by just hitting the open road. Hitting the open road is a phrase over here which means to go for a drive out of the city and leaving all my worries behind. मैं अपनी सारियां tensions ਨੂੰ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਭੁਲਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ. ਭੁਲਾਉਣ 'ਚ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕੀਤੀ. ਇਟ ਵਾਜ਼ ਰੀਅਲੀ ਅ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਫॉर ਮੀ ਐਂਡ ਮਾਈ ਕਜ਼ਨ ਟੂ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਈਚ ਅਦਰਸ ਕੰਪਨੀ. ਇਹ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਜ਼ਨਸ ਅਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੀ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਸੀ. ਐਂਡ ਐਟ ਐਂਡ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਆਲਸੋ ਸੇ ਲਾਈਕ ਦਿਸ all in all it was a best ever road trip that I can never ever forget, right? So guys, in this way you can prepare any cue card, and you can see that I've given the answers of WHO questions in this cue card, and you can add your experience. Don't try to memorize everything that I've used over here. I'm just giving a sample. Try to make it better by your own experience. You can just take the assistance from this topic, and if you want then you can copy as well. So guys, that's all for today. I hope that this video will be helpful for you guys, and if you still face any difficulty while the preparation of your cue card or in this sample answers, then you can let me know by typing in the comment box, or you can also drop me a mail on my Gmail account. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.